Do you know what the 9-month miracle is? My name is Dr. Michael Magwood. I'm the owner of Pure Balance Center. Our offices are located in Clifton, New Jersey and New York City. You were made as a self-healing being. Every 9 months, virtually every single cell in your body is replaced. You are completely new. One eventually wonders, why do I age at all if this is true? Answer: your cells replace themselves by a blueprint of the level of life expressed in the existing cell. In the presence of chiropractic subluxations, you are replacing those cells at less than 40% communication with your brain. With subluxations, they are still replacing themselves, but from a horribly deteriorated level. If a cell is allowed to live at a lowered state of life, as it replaces itself, it will do so with a more aged and weakened version of the original cell. You will still be new at a more aged and broken down new. Now, you all have an opportunity to stop this process, slow down the deterioration, and even get some parts to repair. But you must decide to do something different. You need your body getting clear communication from your generator, that's your brain, as close to 100% as possible, so you can begin cleaning up the messes every 9 months rather than creating more. There is a higher power that created a system which is made to always repair itself. The job of the chiropractor is to restore that communication, get rid of interferences causing decay, and most importantly, restore your body to function at its best so you can live more fully. My name is Dr. Michael Magwood, and we can be reached at purebalancecenter.com.